In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "Sorry, I can't generate more images for you today" error in Google Gemini. This message usually appears when you've reached your daily image generation limit. Let's try a few simple solutions. First, wait for the daily limit to reset. If you've generated many images today, you'll need to wait until your image quota resets. After that, try generating your image again. If you don't want to wait, here's another option. Open the Gemini app, tap the two-line menu in the top corner, then scroll down and tap Settings. Now tap Switch Account and sign in with another Google account. If that account hasn't reached its image generation limit, you may be able to generate images again. Finally, update the Gemini app, open the Play Store,